my God, look at that. And I'm on top of the world. Look at that. There tonight, we are cook some brown stew chicken. Yeah, chicken we are cook. Right there, so, right?
But you can't talk.
Rice, a seasoned rice. We call jollof rice, you know that, right? A seasoned rice. Same thing. If you look for the jollof rice, you look for the seasoned rice and the same rice. Watch ya. When me done with the mango, yeah, my side I dark, me I go nyam them because me not nyam them because if I'm maggot in them, me no care. Hey guys, oh my God, look at that. Guys, oh my God, look. This is beautiful. Look at that. Come on guys, come on. Come on. This is what y'all doing. Y'all taking your dump, look at the tile, dumping garbage. Why y'all doing this to y'all own neighborhood? Come on. Why you, and then y'all says the government problem. It's not the government, it's your problem. Look at that, look at all those huts, people. All the huts is them in the valley. Look at that, the breeze. Oh God. Jesus, this is amazing. I'm telling you, these are some very nice huts. Gonna feel like the huts them so far in Jamaica?
Very much so.
Yeah, I wish I could get one, but the money too much for me, man. Can't afford the huts them. So guys, right here, so here what happened.
House electrician.
Here what happened. We're welcome to Golden Acres. Yes, Golden Acres. So right now, this is who's selling the huts them in Jamaica. Remax is selling the huts. So if you guys are interested in one of these huts in Jamaica, please contact Remax and then they will give you a description of the huts and how much the huts them cost in Jamaica. But right now I'm on top of the world. I feel like I'm on top of the world. I can't believe, look how beautiful this is. This is really beautiful. So right now, look at those apartments up there. They are for sale. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is amazing. Yes, this is beautiful. They're huge, they're very nice. So let me feature the apartment for sale. So guys, if you're interested in one of these apartments, here, look how beautiful, they're beautiful. Beautiful. So I'm gonna show you a little and the apartment right here. This will be the entrance of the apartment. And they call up here lookout. So yes, so here we go. So if you're interested in one of these apartments that I show you, there you go. Yep, right here. These are there. So you have 24 units. So 24 units right here. So if you guys are interested, there's the number. So that's the price. 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 420,000. 3 bathroom, 500. As you can see. So if you guys are interested, please come and check it out. I think it's Century 21. Yep. So come on. There you go. And that's the how to get up there. That's the beauty of it. I know I can't afford it, so I'm not going to even try because I know I cannot afford it. So, yes. So the 2 bedrooms are like $420, and the 3 bedroom is $5 and change. You know, so it's not for the weak. It's for those who can endure it. Yes. So if you can afford it, come on and get it. All right? It's for those who can endure it. So those who can endure it. So guys, I just show you the apartments and I can tell you that I feel like I'm on top of the world right now. Oh my God, but please, I'm asking you as a citizen, stop dumping the garbage. Please stop dumping too much. Look at all that garbage. Why? Why? Why are we doing that? Why are we, what are we doing? Why are we doing this? It's crazy. It's crazy. So this is where I'm staying right here. And I'm on top of the world. Look at that. I'm on top of the world right now. All right, guys. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the page. Barnyardy. Oh my God. Please, I'm asking you to help me grow the page. Help me that I could feature more places in Jamaica. Help me to boost the channel and get the channel up and running, more followers, more people viewing, because I have more people watching the channel than actually subscribing to the page. So go ahead and subscribe to the page. Go ahead and subscribe. It's free to subscribe. So my viewers and subscribers, please help me to boost it, get the algorithm out there that I could show you more huts and places to go.
Action.
Yes, my people, what I want. It's me there with my big friend.
Yes.
Slide up. So what we say? Longwood and water.
Longwood and water.
Longwood we say and water.
And water.
So we there tonight. We are cook some brown stew chicken. Yeah. Chicken we are cook. Right there, so, right?
But you can't talk too close. You gotta, got people say, oh, yeah, talk about food I cook.
Are we on here?
I'm saying, put it with a little look there.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, you know.
But are we on yummy?
We on here.
Yeah,
So we are here with saliva. We are tell you. So yes, so right now I'm gonna throw some brown in panny. You hear me now talk about the girl them we ask them a brown in. Because any man call me brown in and I saw brown in look. This saw brown in tan, I saw it tan. So me no nobody call me brown in. Cause me no look a black in this. Right, that's about panny.
Aye, we not advertise.
Okay, we not advertise on nobody seen thing. Right, my friend?
Exactly.
Yeah, so I'm going you call your new name Sensei Fowl head. Alright, Sensei Fowl.
Oh.
Turn the label away, please. Thank you.
Yes. I mean, I want black chicken, you know. We need brown stew chicken. Yeah, right there, so. So, yes, Lado. So, in Jamaica, we just use the hand. So, you go along and use your hand and double.
Don't wash your hands.
Wash your hands first.
I use the hand and dig out the whole of it. You know your hand come from Slado.
Use a spoon.
Yes, we can use a spoon. Right there, so we're going to hurry up, you know. So this is one late cooking with the pan, you know, because hungry take man, people never want yam. So hungry start kill them. So right now, I just stir him up. I don't really have no season. Back in the days when my grandmother used to cook late pot, you know, what we used to do. Grandmother just used to use whatever season she have. I hate to throw in them and I have no onion.
Liquid nata, one pepper.
Yeah, liquid nata.
Scallion.
Hey, you remember when you used to put brown in for meat, you put a little bit and you used to black?
No, this is what I'm talking about.
No, right now, you know. May I tell you, say, you know, black again. We have to put more than one pan. So right now, me I go, I don't know that part there, I want a doshy, you know. That I can't cook meat in a slaughter. I want to tell you, man. No, brother, I mean, I look a doshy me cooking, you know, I mean, no. No, licky no cooking and then the part there, brother. A doshy me cooking now. Me said, no, brother, a doshy me want. Me not tell me, pass the doshy give me. Pass it, me good. Mr. Pass it and a round, Mr. Doshy in there. You not tell me nothing. Doshi.
Dutchie.
Dutchie.
One tea night.
Me say a Dochi. But I don't like pass the coachy on the left man side. Pass the coachy on the left man side.
I know left man.
Left hand side.
Oh, a left hand side? So yeah, like you said. Then by you can't talk. Because you don't even speak Jamaica, you know. You want Maureen to speak Jamaica. So you're left. I think so you don't speak Patois.
Patois, I'm a straight patois.
You're not talk Patois.
Straight patois, Richard.
But you chat Patois. So when you go down there.
Then they do down there.
So you know, when they go down there fast.
Then they go down there.
No, so when they go down, because you don't know what you chat about. I know people from where you call it Chilani, they don't speak Patois. Yes, my people, so me there with my big friend, Slado.
Hold on, I want to
I bought you a bunny pot, man. I say, if you can't cook.
I wonder where Steve come from.
If you can't cook, you know, can't cook.
What can I cook?
Then I be at the pot.
At the pot, you are Queen, so Slado.
I said, which one are we here, man?
And the wash off is where that's something, where name again? King, where name?
I'm King of the Paris.
No, and the queen flowers, you know.
Yeah, close on it.
You use your wash off your eye ball.
Waterman.
Yeah, a little bit.
At least the waterman.
Waterman. Them say good for your
Oh,
eye.
yeah, the eye thing you're talking about.
Yeah.
At
They
least the
put in.
waterman.
Waterman.
Waterman, they put in your eye. You wash off the whole heap of koro off of your eye. And you don't figure eye doctor and he will help you your eye. But ladies, you don't look on him. He's free, single and disengaged.
Yeah.
So any woman out there, look at husband, see me, we are sell him.
No.
Hard
No
working.
selling.
He's a hard
That's
working.
slavery.
No.
No slave thing wrong
Yeah.
there. No
He's a
slave.
hard working man.
Hard working.
Hard working man.
Yeah.
You know, like dirty place.
No.
If you not, me tell you say anyway, me tell you something. If you know say you're not clean, nobody text him.
No look here.
Reach out, cause you know like nastiness.
No.
You have to can cook, and he
Wash
also
and
cook,
clean.
and he also wash, and he also clean.
Right.
So here was so anything you don't know, so you can't do don't link him because trust me,
Now look
he's
here,
a
sir.
man of principle.
And I love to sell him wine in the fridge.
I didn't look. No sir, rather.
Ready as so now?
Yes sir.
Things well stir up
And the catch
season.
bonnet smell good in IT, man.
Yeah, man, and it sounds smell like that. Take one more.
No, wait, then I want a chicken ya cook or a chicken with pepper ya
Chicken
cook?
with pepper.
No, sir.
Cooking pepper chicken.
Pepper chicken.
Decide it.
That is it.
Yeah, I'm ready to burn it up now.
And body I go body up.
Yeah, man, I'm burn it up now.
So what you go cook with it?
Well, we're gonna have some rice.
Rice. Aye.
And we're gonna have some of the Maris's
Wild.
Royal Blend rice.
Wild.
Good rice.
Wild rice.
Full of got fiber. No,
Full of fibers
brand,
and-
no brand thing. No brand thing.
Turn it
No
on the
brand.
other side, but you know what?
Inside.
No brand.
Yeah, when I some of this nice
Yeah, we used to call that dirty rice.
dirty rice. Very nutritious. Yeah, we're gonna have
Full
it
of
with-
fiber too.
filled with fiber.
You don't go like when you eat a whole
We don't cook Jamaican food.
We have Jamaican food.
We're not going to show
Can't
wild
We
rice.
can cook 2 bananas. You know, although we don't have any. We can cook 2 bananas. We have bananas.
We don't know who are cooking because they don't need.
Or we can go chop down 2 bananas off of the tree.
And look here, people. We don't look here. Who begs? We don't look here. Watch here. And when me done with them mango, yeah, my side night dark, me I go name them because me not name them because if I'm maggot in them, me no care. So them me I go sort out.
Wobbles, cherries,
A cherry that. A cherry that.
A cherry.
Look like a
and you
pepper.
have sweet sap.
My favorite.
Passion fruit,
And this is called
number 11.
number 11 mango. Just
Yes.
in case you don't know. This
And this is
number
a
11.
raw bean.
Right?
So all who don't know raw bean this.
The mango, I don't know.
Me don't know that one
This
yeah.
is a no-name mango. Just very sweet.
I want the shape like a mammy
Bastard
chin.
mango.
Shape like a mammy chin. Yeah. Now which one this here?
The one I know, you know
So
my
look at
name,
so when I
man.
look at suck out mango see.
No, that one. That's it, it's a mixed breed.
Mixed breed.
Yeah,
I mix
it's
on
not
it.
Chrissy, yeah,
Why
yeah.
me I did that
These are
right there
mixed
so.
But
Mm-hmm.
it's
We had,
sweet.
you had that one malnourished Chris?
Yeah.
Yes, alright then.
Malnourished Chris mango.
A malnourished Chris mango them yeah.
So we're ready to throw in the pot.
Yeah.
You guys know we're leaving tomorrow, right?
Don't be like that, tomorrow. You don't want to know, but we're all right to tell you how you eat tomorrow. That's. Why, you don't want to let it out, then the man that I will come up from here. And you want to buy one of the hotels here and food one of the hotels, I'm going to tell you. Not them too expensive. Is there something to go on?
Ready to go?
No, sir.
Wanna cover him up
They
now?
make it look like they make it hot them look like we not shy in the state. Sometimes me have to ask myself, how comes me not do nothing right because them live in a big house and me live in a small little box. Me not understand, man. Jaja.
I'm here back Africa with the wood.
Remember back now, man, brick me live in a man. Well.
Brick farm, brick.
A brick me live in a.
Easy, the one, gonna.
Yeah, you know, the inside of the skin. You're supposed to suck out the inside of the skin.
Yo.
Red flag.
Yeah, you can't. No suck out. Me know you no sucking out, brother. You can't say that. That's what me know say in Jamaica. You no suck out, no.
They use the word, especially in public.
No sucking out, brother.
Why? That's not how they do it. People don't not sensitive with them.
No, you can't say no sucking, no licking, no sucking.
No licking.
That's like that. You know suck on lollipop.
No, we don't eat lollipop.
So this, you tell me, say, Sarah, when you grew up as a child, right?
Yeah?
You never eat nutty body.
We don't remember that.
Good response.
I don't long time ago. We don't remember that.
So you tell me, say, Sarah, you never eat nutty body growing up.
No, can't recall. I can't recall.
You remember nutty body?
You know,
When ice cream on a pass and he said, nutty
I
body!
eat snow cone and ice cream. I don't know what nutty body.
Oh,
You
man.
eat snow cone?
Snow cone.
No cold water.
And then shear behind.
Here the ice and put the
And throw syrup on it.
syrup.
Babies that fly around it something.
I don't know, sir.
You want that show you guys eat the bread.
Let me ask a question. Do they still sell bag sky juice at Jamaica?
Sure.
Show me one, because I've
Because Santa Cruz lately and the guy right at the taxi stand at Santa Cruz. A big Rasta man sell snow cone.
If not,
Sheer price. Sheer
but that'd
price.
be funny. I was surprised because when I went to Panama, they was selling it. And I'm like,
Yeah, the Spanish people always sell everything.
And upon the mind, they're all over everywhere you can.
You mostly find it in the towns. Like if you go Mandeville town, you find it. If you go downtown, you find it. Crossroads, you find it. It's mostly in the town here.
you see it.
You see it.
You see it. You
I
see
see
it.
it with my
Yeah,
when I
I
want
see
to.
it.
I've never seen it. So I'm saying that if we still do it, we should stop, get rid of our culture and stop drinking these, what you call them, type of juice that we are drinking because nothing never sweet like when it's hot outside, you know. And you get one, what you call it, one sky juice, you know, man. My God. Let me suck out the mango seed. Oh, shit. Oh.
Red flag.
When it's red flag,
No. This is one, yeah? Me I leave tomorrow. So we leaving tomorrow. So me I make sure eat every single last mango in our house.
Yes,
So on the plane, anybody sit down next to me on the plane, I'm sorry for no. Rather.
The man a cook. You full of people in a mango.
No one no food.
Not because that you are sit down next to me. You know, it's not, you know, a mango you have to eat later night time, don't buy it every, you know, the geocalic? It's a wicked mango, this me I tell you. Yeah, and it itch your throat.
Yeah.
You have a little itch in your when you eat it, get a little itch, and this is raw bean, dangerous mango this too. Raw bean, you have to eat it. You can't eat that. Give you another one, yeah. But you see that one, yeah? One have to with me up on the plane. And them say, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any mango, eat them before you get back. Me love go on the plane and just suck. Oh, wow. Okay. Alright, so this one is a passion fruit. So I'm gonna cut it right now.
No, that's green.
Oh, it's green.
That's ready.
So, and you know that a sweet sap, guava. So this is what we get when we live in Jamaica. We get all the fruits and my mouth start itch me right now.
That's what I can.
Yeah, right here, so start bun me. So you don't know, say the number 11 I bun me mouth. So right now, I go step away from the, you know, so.
Yeah, so we are store up the chicken now.
Well, the bread, the one yam piece more too.
So
Man, yam more piece more butter bread. I last day at Jamaica, so I have to eat all much as my time and then go to the gym when I reach up.
Didn't your grandmother taught you not to speak with food in your mouth?
No, not my grandmother. God rest her soul.
Nah, tell you that.
Nah, tell me that. And the British man tell you that. Nah, That is the British way.
British
The
or
Queen speaking.
British or the colonizers? Which
The
one?
colonizers.
Colonizers.
And all that we hand we fi use it. I don't know them knife and fork that we hand. You know it can kill me. I see them in a restaurant. So see them you know? Like them a handicap. Those are not on yam. Where from you son? Look here.
Pick up your food and yam.
But all him to son, you want to see him. Let them do karate with the knife.
East NC.
In Africa, my girlfriend I work. And do so with the hand and she take the fufu. And she go home. And she take the fufu again and she use her hand and eat her rice. Me and judge her because that is the right way to eat.
You ever eat the fufu yet?
I never tried fufu yet. But me try jollof rice.
Yeah.
I love jollof rice. I mean I like Ghanaian and Guinea.
Yes.
I like Nigeria. Cook no jollof, but you know, me not like the Ghanaian rice, jollof rice, are number 1. Guinea, number 2. Big up on yourself to the Ghanaian. Because I know the Jamaicans are well, like the Jamaicans don't accept it, but when I say most Jamaicans are descendants of Africa, and our tribe is the Ashanti people. Most of our food is the same as jollof rice or seasoned rice. We call jollof rice, you know that, right? Yes. A seasoned rice. Same thing. If you look for the jollof rice, you look for the seasoned rice and the same rice. Big up on yourself to my motherland, Africa, Ashanti, proud Ashanti. Yeah? That's all. All the shape of my face. Ghanaian woman. And Ghanaian woman don't take no from nobody, you know that. And Jamaican woman, don't take no nonsense from no man. Right? When I'm mouth tough, brother. As a Jamaican, I never know about ghetto bread. So anybody who got grotto bread, anybody who know it, no can let me know, because me never know about this. We know about peg bread. You know the bread where you used to peg slab?
Yeah.
Not the bread that we know.
Pig bread.
Peg bread. Bread bag sweet, you know, when it just come out of the oven, you know.
Very hot.
I eat that one, them mangoes bread.
Yeah. I still have mango bread.
It's the mangoes bread.
Mango bread are the big broad back bread, right?
Yeah, man.
And then you have one long one, right? They have a wing on the side.
Oh, the one you can get on the side.
Yeah. What that the name again?
What do you name come? I think me know a peg bread.
No, pig bread no with duck bread.
Duck bread, that. Duck bread are the roll one.
Peg bread, when you put a peg off, like you eat like the bread is like a peg. So everybody
Yeah,
say
man.
everybody.
You have one long one that look like shaped like a duck.
I don't know what I want there. But I definitely know a peg bread.
And then you have a long one who have the wing around it right on the side.
I don't know the one they need. What that it is there, Chilani?
You get every man.
No, sir.
Yeah, man. That's the thing don't matter about, you know. I don't know fitness things, you see. That's how I find in the 70s and 80s.
Okay. I talk about for your age. Old man age, okay.
Old people, yeah, big man thing.
Big man thing, me.
Big man thing.
I tell you, say, my grandmother, I don't want to tell you what my grandmother say.
Grandmother,
Anything over 40, dead.
Grandmother eat it. Yeah, mother one that.
And my mother said too. One thing me know my mother used to say, if ladies, any man who no have, alright? I am under the sheet asleep, right?
Yeah, come very nasty now.
And you release on body, right? And he get up and left right the sheet, he no love you, left him. My mother tell me say, if you have a man, right, and you release your gas, the man will stay underneath the sheet, and that's how you're going to prove your love for the man.
Yeah, because you're man, I want to be an idiot man. I only an idiot man to lay down and that and smell that. You man?
You hear me? Uno man, any man who no see cannot stay underneath the sheet with no good man.
Idiot man that.
No, I can't good man. A mad man that.
Bad man.
I'm gonna say, if you love me, you must can't take any scent me have. Any scent me have, you must can't take it, because if my man fought me, I stay underneath the sheet and smell it.
Okay, I eat that.
Because me I prove my love for him.
Kick you out of the room. Nasty this stuff.
What is tell me now? What nasty about it?
Then I'm thinking part and I keep come up here. Oh God, come on man. You know, come on.
Then I say you prove your love for the man or the woman.
You know, cause I work like that. I keep me not to smell it. And I like it. Now come over and like it.
Me know say me love my man, so me go stay underneath the sheet. And that's how me go prove my love to him.
I go say me to death. Me not to like that. Not to hard that.
Madness that.
You don't know love. You don't know love. You just in a spirit taking.
That can't be love. I got part of any.
No, brother, may I smell like something I burn up, man. I burn up food, brother.
No, brother.
Don't do that.
Water now, brother.
Oh, that's the water, nice. Okay.
Water go deep with the thing now, brother. You just could have to a little more brown in the G.
Brown skin.
It's look white, G.
Me never want to make it turn black skin, so me never want to too much in it, because me never want black from us. I go say me how we make it turn black.
That's really put brown in there.
And you can do like what the Jamaican them do. Put little sugar in it if she start yo. Because me never even black from us. I go tell me say what kind of black chicken this year. Cause me ring. Yeah, that's different, yeah, even though you can burn the sugar.
Burn the sugar and make brown.
I make browning and it tastes really nice.
Tastes really good, G. Some more browning.
Or is not switch this. You know say that.
Well, switch.
Yes. On the left side.
That's what I'm saying.
That little darker color. Yeah, look better now. Look like brown stew now, G.
Then not hit these waves. Left, right, center.
Yeah.
Alright. I'll throw some ketchup on the chicken now. Yeah. Come down to gravy now. Gravy now. Yeah, you need to ketchup now and eat one of them. 2 minutes and it's ready.
The rice, I said.
Rice good. Rice was steam. Rice ready now. Let's have the little last steaming. But rice ready now, so I just see chicken now. And we good to go. Rice ready. One steam and one
Chef are doing thing.
Boat land now. Yeah, we'll do some bus and share now on the boat. Oh, yeah, I'll put some rice in my plate, man. Oh. I'll put some rice in my plate, man. Oh.
Where you cook the burger?
No, so I give spicy man. We don't know 2 pots. 1 pot we say. You have to work.
The one pot right there. One.
I'm not making too much spicy.
1 pot we say.
You say one pot.
1
I
pot.
know 1 pot we give it.
1 pot, yeah, give me. No 2 pots around here. We say 1 pot.
You need to go out mine. No, share on to me.
Alright.
So you know until I was told, brother. Yeah, until I was told them.
No, I didn't take out no food for me.
Not got nothing here.
How for that? Garnet? Maurice, no eat no other person, no give me.
You know the representation is always important for the presentation. So we got Barney on TV, and that if you look for, and that if you make your eyes them hook on. Barney on TV. Okay.